these are students in first secondary school. They are coming to make an experiment how to make liquid soap. Please keep the step and don't miss any step in watching. Thank you. Like and follow. Thanks.
Okay. Hello guys, this is Science Laboratory from Opwa Community Secondary School. Today we are going to make a liquid soap. So this is the laboratory that we are going to make in, and the things are here. So these are the materials. So the first one is the industrial salt. Yeah, this is industrial salt. Now the second one, this is what we call ungalo. So we having here is sulfonic acid. As you can see, it is behaving acidic, and the one the container that is perfume plus the one that is hold the color. So yeah, that one is a color. Alright. Okay, still checking because step by step. Yeah, this is called caustic acid plus urea, and then this one is thicker, the last one. These are the material for 20 liters. For you to make a liquid soap, you need to have the following. First of all, you need to have the PPE, which is a personal protective measures. As you can see, this guy is wearing on face mask and the eyeglasses in order to prevent, because these things, some of the chemicals are acidic, which may cause the damage to the body. So for you to make a liquid soap, you need to have the following. You have a ungalo. As you can see, this guy is pouring the ungalo into the basin. So these are the members of the group that are involved in the making of the liquid soap. They are watching carefully, and each member here is going to participate in the processes. So this lady is cleaning the hand of the person who is pouring the ungalo in order the hands to be clean, and the remaining ungalo on the hand must go into the basin. So the second step, we are going to pour the salt into the ungalo, which is the basin. So in making liquid soap, there are two salts that we are going to use, but here in this session we are using table salt, industrial salt and table salt, but here we are having table salt. As you can see, this guy is holding. Alright, so we are pouring into the ungalo. That is nice. That is the first one, because table salt are packed into a circuit, so you need to keep these circuits properly so that we recycle or we burn them out. So the second circuit, we are pouring it now. Alright, so after this we are going to mix. We are going to stir it. As you can see, these guys are stirring it to get a uniform mixture, and it is sticky. So this guy is stirring it. It is too sticky. As you can see, this guy is struggling for about 15 minutes. Alright, okay, for this we are going to make for 20 liters. So this materials is for 20 liters. Now that is the wiper. That guy is cleaning the hand, because these things, some of them are effective to the body. Now we are getting one member also to carry out the second step, the third step, sorry. As you can see, they wanted to wear the PPE. So they are still stirring. Now make sure also the people around must wear those things, because the third step we are going to pour the sulfonic acid into the mixture of ungalo and the salt. So as you can see, this is the sulfonic acid, and it is very dangerous. It can cause skin burn and they have a shocking effect. Alright, so we are stirring it also for about 15 minutes. As you can see, this guy is stirring. It have a sharp smell. That's why all the members are tying their nose and mouth. So here we are stirring it for about 15 minutes. So the fourth step, going to have a separate bucket or a basin. As you can see here, we are having a bucket to mix the caustic acid and water. So in the middle, this guy is pouring caustic acid. Sorry, caustic soda, not acid really. Caustic soda. We are going to measure a small amount of water. So we are doing so because to get a uniform mixer with the water. That is alright, as you can see still. So we are pouring into the mixer of the ungalo, salt and sulfonic acid. So we are having now 3 materials there. Now the fifth step, we are going to pour the urea, which is the resin. So also we are going to measure a small amount of water so that it will get dissolved. So this member is stirring it slowly using hands. Now this one here is called the tikka or the 2-ball. This one is giving the thickness of the liquid soap. So some of them, they are behaving like milk. I wanted to get a mix of milk. There are some particles that are forming, so here you need to be critical enough. Then others are just simple, they are dissolving easily in water. So this is the tikka. We are mixing it. While some of the members are stirring the mixer in the basin, while others are stirring the tikka. So here is our mixture. There are 2 things that we are remaining with. So we are adding at least 10 liters of water into the mixer. As you can see, the ladder is already forming. We are almost wind up. We are going to stir like this for about 15 minutes or to 20 minutes. See, as this lady is struggling to stir it. So there are 2 things that we are remaining, as I said before, color and the perfume. So this is the color. As you can see, it is changing. So we stir it until we get a uniform mixture. So here we are having blue color. Now we are adding another 10 liters to make 20 liters.
Very nice.
Buy for your house, what? Buy for your house.
Because of the smell, is now smelling nice. We are now winding up with the steps. So this is it, members. See now how our liquid soap is now very clean. We are now filling it into the jerry can.